Nothing coming. This must be if you get going too fast down the hill.
There's some tires for you, James.
I think it's if you get too fast, you lose your brakes.
You think so?
That's what it looks like. We use the big sand traps in Canada, but
There's a rock right there, but
yeah.
yeah, I guess maybe, eh?
Koh Samui Waterfall. Koh Samui? I don't know. I'm too English to pronounce that. All right, walking into the jungle. Watch out for scorpions.
You're going down.
I'm glad I didn't try to drive the bike down here because that would have been dumb. I mean, it would have made it, but it's just a little 125 that weighs as much as I do. Whew, that's a steep walk down. I mean, one hell of a walk back up. Koh Samui, Koh Samui, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful place. Down, down, down we go. I sure hope there's a swimming hole here to make it worth the walk. Oh yeah, she's a long walk down. Oh, check out the little bananas. That's so cool. This little baby one. Down, down, down we go. Ooh. My legs are so sore from the gym lately. But, oh, is this the waterfall? Must be. There we are. That wasn't a long walk at all. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, I got a little ladder to go down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that's riggedy. All right. We have made it. 20 baht they want. Well, I don't think I have any change, so they're probably not going to get it. This is gorgeous. Let's walk up here and check this out, and we'll get a view from the top. Yeah, it's all stairs. Look at that. Oh, we gotta go all the way up, don't we? We're already here, we gotta see what's at the top. Oh yeah, this is cool. It just keeps going. Nice little handrail, thankfully. Oh yeah, looks like we got a lookout point up here. This is awesome. This is nuts. So absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this little bridge we get across. And I feel like we're into somebody's garden. Wow. All right. Not much of a lookout up here. Just keeps going up and up and up. Let's go back down to the swimming hole area. There's a little one right here. Oh yeah, that water is nice. Let's see if it's deep enough to go for a dip at the bottom. That one there is not deep enough. Too small. Now we gotta be careful going down because some of this is gonna be pretty slippery. Pretty nice. And a little waterfall there. Back in through the bushes. Man, these stairs are small, but at least there's some steps. Alright, danger spot. That's where I slipped last time.
Fucking sketchy in your flip-flops like that.
I do too much of my flip-flops, so I'm pretty used to it.
You used to it?
Yeah.
Mine are too greasy.
Alright, gonna jump in the little water hole that is here. Not much of one, but I'll probably keep my flipper floppers on.
Look, right there.
Ooh. That is chilly.
That one.
Yeah. That's why I want to like this.
See if I get too deep again.
I am.
Okay. Whew. I'm ready for that.
Alright. Oh! Oh! That is nice.
Oh, you're filming it too?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tried a little water.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice private waterfall.
We'll go check out the next one and see how big that one is. And there's no one here, man.
Nope, nobody at all.
No one taking pictures. Oh. Gorgeous. There, this is better than the day at the beach. There's so many beach days. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There you go. Oh, look, there's a face.
Oh yeah. That's creepy. That's real creepy. There's a Buddha.
Top of Buddha right there.
Let me see.
Oh, okay. Oh. I'm looking at the rock.
I was like, look at where my finger's pointing.
What am I not seeing?
Put your mouth.
No, I almost got the fish. With my mouth? What are you doing? You gonna slide down? Oh. I'm taking pictures.
Yeah. Okay. My own personal waterfall. Oh. Well, that was a very nice dip. On to the next waterfall. Well, I convinced him to pay for parking, so perfect. I'll go over here and check this out. Kurt wasn't here. Yen was here. Not much of a lookout. Ooh, gonna have to put a different battery in. All right, here we are at the second waterfall, and then there's a nature pool as well. So we'll go to the waterfall first. Wang Sao Thong waterfall, jungle view. 250-meter walk down this one. So this one looks a little flatter though than the last one we were on, thankfully. Oh, sure get some speed going down them hills on that scooter. Just cruising. Don't even need to turn it on. It's just neutral the entire way down. The brakes are a bit old on it though, I think, so I gotta use front and rear brakes to slow down. Rear brake is starting to feel a little faded. Oh, this one's going up a bit. A little camping hut. Yeah, a little fire spot. Wonder which way you go. I don't know. Let's try left first and then we'll go right. No sign saying which way to go. I'm gonna go right. And if it's wrong, well, we'll walk back up. But this has a rope and a trail, so I assume it's the right way. Here we go. Watch this just go back up to that other trail. That'd be funny. Very lush, very green here. Which way are you gonna go? I think I chose the right way in the fork. This seems to be proper. I can hear water. I can see water. I don't see a waterfall yet though. Man, this jungle is beautiful. Definitely a place you want to make sure you have water on you all the time. So easy to get dehydrated here. You just constantly sweat and sweat and sweat. Oh yeah, so there's that trail. I think that would have came this way, so it would have just met up in the end. I think the way we went was the easy way, and I am fine with that. It said 250 meters, so we must be getting close. Look at that vine. Wow. Oh, that's a big step down. Big step down. There we go. Man, I don't know if you guys can see the size of those leaves, but holy crap. This reminds me of Guadalupe, like walking through the Jurassic period, basically. And I actually started watching that dinosaur show on Netflix. I think it's with Morgan Freeman. But one of the animals that's in it, it's like 260 million years ago. I just saw a statue of one at the top of this hill. So that's pretty neat. Don't remember the name of it, but it was a vegetarian animal, a herbivore that ruled its time until the world decided it was time for a change. Pretty cool show. If you haven't seen that, I'd probably go check it out. Good history. How they figure out that history is beyond me. I know scientists and digging and all that stuff and carbon dating, but still beyond me. All right, I think we're getting pretty close. I see a river. All kinds of ropes. Some of the wildest vines I've ever seen. Looks like a green bean or something. I guess it must be a bit of a dry season because there's not a massive waterfall here. But I'm going to assume this is the waterfall. We'll go up there and see if there's a pool. Bunch of fish. Alright, let's see if we can't get up there and see if there's a pool. Oh, woo. There we go. Let's see what's up here. Ouch. Oh yeah, cool. So I bet in the rainy season this thing is probably pretty wild. And probably another pool up there. But I see a lot of cobwebs, so I'm not going to go play in this one. Woo! Little mannequins and some stuff. That's interesting. Alright, well, that's the second waterfall. The last thing that's left here is the nature pool, so we'll head down there and hopefully go for a swim. Alright, natural pool, 100 meters this way. Hopefully it's deep enough to actually go swimming in. First waterfall was good, it was deep enough, but the second one here wasn't deep enough. But let's go find out. Another little trek in the jungle. Huh? Yeah. Man, look at this place. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is so serene. I could live in a place like this, I really could. It would be nice if that was possible. But unfortunately, I am imprisoned to Canada. That's okay though. We'll just spend the minimum amount of time needed there and come to places like this. And I think I counted today that I've been to 28 or 29 countries, so we only have like 130, 140 more to go. Look at these stairs. Water running down them. Ropes are long gone for skirt handrail. We'll just do one step at a time. Oh man, this is amazing. Must be one hell of a river in the rainy season. Look at that plant. That is something else. And you got these crazy pink ones. I don't know what they are, but man, they're cool. What a cool color. They kind of match. Oh, this looks like a big pool. Oh yeah, sweet. Sweet. Oh, yeah, little coffee table, little rolling station. That 4 trees in one trunk into 4 trees. Oh yeah, look at this. Cool, cool, cool. These posts are really sharp to grab a hold of. Wow. That is something. Must be where they get their water from. There's the waterfall. Looks like a pretty deep hole. Oh yeah, that is cold. Should have brought my water shoes though. Whew. Oh yeah. There we go. We're in. We're in.
There's so much grease in my flip-flops, man. I gotta wash them.
Look at that. That is so cool. Into the water we go.
Oh, twice that's cold.
Yeah, it's not warm.
Oh, but it's fucking deep.
Yeah, oh, it's very deep. I mean, I'm up to my waist already. Any fishes in there I should be worried about? Woo! Oh yeah, that is crisp. Swimming in the jungle. Who would have thunk it? All right, I gotta go turn that other camera off before it dies. Ooh, that gets real deep. I gotta take the flip floppers off.
You didn't even touch.
No, I wasn't expecting that. Might have to go get those later. Oh yeah, swimming in the jungle.
Man, like this is like numbing cold.
That was a refreshing swim. Had a few fish nibble the feet. That is deep too. It's over your head once you get closer to the waterfall there.